continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm.
Yep.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Wilkes County in east central Georgia until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ricetown, or 10 miles east of Alberton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Washington, Tignall, Aonia, Fishing Creek Public Hunting Area, Delhi, Norman, Danburg, Beattisville, and Floral Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A severe thunder